Want your iPhone to look like this while it is charging? Let me show you how. It's pretty easy and there's a very simple guide to this. Let's get started with today's video. So the first thing you have to do is download this charging application. The link will be in the description. Make sure you follow that and you can download the application. Once you've opened it, tap on this cross here if you don't want to pay. There is a paid version, of course. Now swipe up and you can select your favorite animation. Personally, I like this one the best, but well, if you want, you can choose any of these other options as well. And there are multiple ones. Some of these are paid ones, but this one is my favorite and it is available for free. Now your job here is not done. After selecting this, make sure you close this from your RAM and open Shortcuts application. Go to Create Personal Automation, tap on Charger. Make sure you have selected is connected here. Once you've done that, tap on Next, open application, and from here choose charging. Now remember, link is in the description. You can check that out and download this application. Tap on Next. Disable ask before running. Make sure this one is done, of course, because otherwise the application will always ask you if you want to run it or not. Notify when run should also be turned off. Tap on Done. Now every time you plug your iPhone to a charging cable, this application will run. I'm going to show you. See? Now the best part about this is, as and when your battery goes upwards, the color of this indicator will change. Right now it's yellow because my battery is at 50%, but if you go closer and closer to 100, it's going to turn green. If your battery is low and closer to 0, it's going to be red. That's the perfect thing. Now of course you can swipe up and you can change your charging animations, of course. Like I said, that one was my favorite, but you can choose from other options as well. See, my iPhone is charging. I can see my battery percentage right here. I can see the time and the date. And here's a charging indicator as well on the top. Look at that. All topped up, green and ready to go. Just like you at the end of this video. So make sure you hit the like button. Share this video with your friends so that they also know what an amazing application, what an amazing hack this is for your iPhone. Subscribe to iGeeks blog for more such amazing iPhone content. Turn on notifications for all of our videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.